In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code with Google's Antigravity. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, what we first need to do is open up Google's Antigravity. Now, the best way to do this is to install it as an extension. So go ahead and click on the gear icon. Then from here, click onto extensions, or you can go ahead and click on Control Shift and X to open up extensions. Now, on the left hand side where it says extensions, go ahead and type in Claude Code, then hit enter. Now you want the one by Anthropic once it loads. So here it is here, down the list. It should actually be up the top here, but I'm not sure why they're doing that. Now you want to click onto it. Then from here, click on the blue install, and then click on Trust Publisher and install. Also check the auto update as well, so then you don't have to worry about manually updating it. It's going to auto update in behind the scenes. Now just basically give that a few moments to download and install inside of Google's Antigravity. Now once you successfully install it, it's going to say disable or uninstall. That means it's successfully installed. Also, you're going to have a little Claude Code symbol, so we can go ahead and open it up by clicking on there. Then basically from here, Claude Code can be used with your Claude subscription or build based on API usage for your console accounts. So it's going to say how do you want to log in, so we can use your Claude AI subscription if you got one. So click onto that and that's going to open up a new web page. You can use your Anthropic console, so pay for API usage for your console account. Now with Claude Code being installed as a extension into Google's Antigravity, it basically means you're combining both of these. You can write, edit, and automate code using Claude inside Antigravity. So basically you can use it like an AI pair programmer. So now you can generate code, debug errors inside of Antigravity, build features, refactor files, etc.